Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. On the menu today, we're going to make a superb lamb, slow cooked lamb with eggplants in tomato sauce, Italian kind of style. Lots of fresh basil in there. It's delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Let's take a look at the ingredients that we have here. So I've got dried oregano, garlic, onion, eggplant, fresh basil, tomato sauce. You can use like a passata or if you want a can of tomatoes or one of those jarred kind of things. I don't really recommend them, but anyway, up to you. Now here we've got our meat. Now I've got a nice lamb there. It's a nice quality. It's going to cook really nicely and there's no bone in it, but there is a little bit of fat on it, which is beautiful. We're going to start us off with some olive oil. So here we go. Got some olive oil in there and we're going to start off with our lamb. We're going to drop that in. And on a medium heat, I'm going to cook this just on its own, just to get it started, give it a nice head start, for about 4 to 5 minutes. So we've got some nice colour on there. It's nowhere near cooked in the middle, of course. Now, you may have seen me on different videos with like some beef or tough beef or something, or mutton. If you're not using a decent quality like this, what you could do now is get some water in there or some stock, cover it over and boil it out, let it evaporate, and that will really help tenderize your meat. Like I say, this is a decent one, so we're no need to do that. We're now going to drop in our onion. I'm using a red onion. You could use any colour you want. I'm going to drop in that garlic. I've been quite generous with the garlic and I've just sliced it. You can make it small if you want, you know, cut it really, really small. To this I'm just going to add some salt and pepper, a little bit of salt and pepper in there. And we're not on a really massive fire here, we're on a medium. And again, we're going to go for about another 5 minutes. This is so easy and it really is going to be beautiful. Next up, we're going to drop in our eggplant. I'm going to drop in that dried oregano, or oregano, as many of you call it. And again, one more time, staying on this medium heat, not crazy heat. About another 4 to 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Beautiful, really beautiful. Next up, we're going to drop in that tomato. I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm adding water, but if you wanted, you could be dropping in some red or white wine in there, if you fancied that. We're going to grab all of that lovely, fresh basil, in it goes. No need to chop it in just like that. If you wanted, think about maybe putting in some black olives or some green olives maybe. We're going to turn the heat up to maximum now for about 4 minutes. So maximum heat 4 minutes and then down to a simmer, complete simmer, for about 25 to 30 minutes. So let's do that first. Maximum heat 4 minutes, then I'll be back. Great stuff. Now the reason that we put it on that high heat is just to really give it a big blast. Now we're going to simmer it down. So very, very low heat. Lid's going to go on. I'll see you in 30 minutes. Nothing to do now. Go make yourself a cup of tea. Okay, off goes the heat. We've done it. And that looks absolutely beautiful. That would be nice with some pasta, with some nice crunchy, crusty bread maybe. But yeah, lovely, nice and tender. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.